Today we're gonna go over our kettlebell windmills. So we're gonna grab onto our kettlebell. All right, we're gonna have our feet just outside of our shoulders. Now we're gonna press that kettlebell straight up over our head. All right, so wrist is right above our shoulder. Now from here, we're gonna take our feet, we're gonna turn them about 45 degrees the opposite way. So whatever side we have that kettlebell in, we're gonna turn our feet 45 degrees the opposite way. From here, we're gonna sit our hips back, bending our front knee, reaching towards the inside of that front foot. Now as we go down, we wanna make sure that wrist stays right over our shoulder, and then we're gonna push our foot through the ground, stand nice and tall at the top. Now make sure we stand all the way up. We don't wanna stop short. All right, all the way up, arm finishes by our ear, and then we're gonna sit the hips back, reach down towards the middle of our foot, wrist stays over shoulder, and then we're right back up.